This is Saugeen Times capturing your weather on February the 2nd, Groundhog Day. We are standing at the south end of Port Elgin in Saugeen Shores on Lake Huron. And as you can see, there is very little traffic going on today because we are in blizzard conditions with a heavy snow squall warning and very, very cold temperatures with the wind chill. It is minus 27. Once again, all the schools are closed, as are many of the businesses. Highway 21 is also closed from Port Elgin down to Grand Bend. Again, we are under blizzard conditions here in Bruce County. And even though it's Groundhog Day and Wyerton Willie did not see his shadow, which means an early spring, you would never know it by today's weather. Once again, this is Saugeen Times, www.saugeentimes.com, capturing your weather.